Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. So today I'm going to walk you guys through the process of designing, printing, and assembling these cute hot chocolate packets. I'll have everything you need listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright y'all, so the first thing we're going to do is start off in canva.com and we're just going to go ahead and hit create a design and hold on. And just go ahead and hit letter, right? So we're just going to use 8.5 by 11 size paper. Now let's go ahead to our elements and let's find a background. So I want a green Christmas background. And let me see, this one looks, I like this one. Bam. All right, so we have that, and let me just check our dimensions because I want it to be, I want the width to be 8. So I'm just going to stretch it out until it turns to 8, and then I want the height to be about 5, right? Bam, got that. And I did it like this. I'm designing it in landscape, right? And I can go ahead and duplicate it, and I'll be able to fit 2 designs on one sheet of paper, right? Because you know we don't waste around here, right? We're gonna get use as much as we can because photo paper ain't cheap. So anyway, so let's go ahead. So another thing we're going to do is I want you to, let's just move that out the way for a second. I want you to go up here to file and you're going to hit show rulers, okay? And see, mine's already on because you see the check right here, so it lets you know that it's on. And we're just going to go like over here and you can just pull the ruler from the side and we're going to move it until it turns. You see how it's purple and now it's pink. That lets me know this is about the center of my shape, right? So we're going to leave it right there, and this is going to let me know that when we fold the paper over, this is like the crease, right? So this is going to be like our pretend crease. And y'all, I show you guys so many more tricks and stuff like this in my Canva course, right? So I'll leave the link to that in the description box if you want to learn how to navigate Canva a little better and learn, you know, like the little hacks and things like that. So anyway, so this is like our guidelines. So we're going to keep our designs, you know, not over this line. We don't want to go over this line. So now what we're going to do is just go ahead and design it, right? I mean, you can use images that you've uploaded yourself, like this nutrition fact thing I've uploaded. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on this side right there. And of course, I can go ahead and hit text because, you know, I made it blank. I keep it blank. And then, you know, I could just add whatever. Let me zoom in a little bit. I could add whatever text I wanted to. Let me see. Okay, so we'll say for serving size, we'll say holiday and I'll just go ahead and move that right there. And of course, you know, we can go up here, change the font, etc., etc. But this is just for kids. You know, they're not, you know, they're not like going to be inspecting anything like that. So I'm not really going to be too elaborate with this. I'm just going to make it cute, you know. So put holiday cheer, and of course I can go over here and get another text box, or I can just enter T on my keyboard to bring up a text box. And, you know, just put, I mean, you know, put whatever you want. I'm just going to put blah right now because I'm just using this as an example. Is my font in white? Why is it not showing up? Okay, cool. You know, type whatever you want, blah, blah, blah. Just fill fill the lines up. Bam. Okay, so we have that. And like I said, let's just go ahead and with the design. So I'm just going to go ahead and use some things from Canva. I am using the Canva Pro, so the images and things for me will be free. But if you don't have a Canva Pro, you may have to pay. But if you would like to try Canva Pro free for 30 days, you go ahead and use my affiliate link that I'll leave in the description box for you guys as well. I'm trying to tell y'all, Canva is bae, okay? I use Canva daily, and as you can see, you can do all kinds of stuff in it. So what I want to do is hit elements and type in reindeer. And go to graphics. And I'm just going to pick whatever I think. Oh, this is cute. This one. Right. Where's my mouse? Oh, here it is. This one is cute. Oh, this one's cute. Okay, I like this one. So as you can see, you just scroll through, you know, find whatever it is that you like. And we're just going to put this guy right here, but we're going to, put that back. And we're just going to size him down just a little bit, maybe like this. Let me zoom out a little bit. Go ahead and duplicate him, and we can flip him. So maybe they're coming out of both corners. Let me make it a little bit smaller. Bam. All right, cool. So that looks good. So now I'm going to go up here and type that because I want this shape right here. Kind of center, and I can go ahead and change the text box color of this if I wanted to. I would just make sure that it's highlight and go up here. But you know what? I'm actually pretty cool with that text box right there. So I'm going to go back to elements and I'm going to type in banner. And make sure I hit graphics. And I like, well, either or the, I'm just going to go ahead and grab this one. And I could change the color of this banner as well. I do think I want to make it a little bit smaller. All right, so I'm gonna hit T on my keyboard to bring up my text box, and I'm just gonna type in hot chocolates. Right, and I could put it right there. And another thing you can do with your text in Canva is you can curve it. So I would just make sure that my text is highlighted, go up here to the top toolbar and hit effects, and right down here where it says shape, you go ahead and hit curve and just curve it slightly to kind of fit, you know, the curve of the banner. And let's just, bring it down just like that. Bam, looks bomb. So I'm going to go ahead and stay in elements, and I'm going to type in, let me say like what, season's greetings. Just, you know, to have some kind of text or whatever. And this banner right here. I don't want season's greetings. let me put happy holidays. Yeah, this looks cool. And let's just make it a little bit smaller. And bam, y'all, we have our image just that quick and just that simple. Like I said, you know, you can do this however you want. I just use different elements and things from Canva's library, but I mean, of course, you can go ahead and you know, use images yourself that you've uploaded fonts that you've uploaded, whatever it is that you want. And since I have room down here at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and just quickly go through and make another one of these. Let me see. Let's go back to Christmas backgrounds. See what we can find. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward through this part because I'm doing the exact same thing, just with different images. All right. And so once we have everything created, we'll go ahead and save this as a PNG to your computer. Then we'll go ahead and print. I'm using my Epson EcoTank 2750 to print, and I'm using photo paper. Right. So once everything prints out, we'll just go ahead and take our paper trimmer and cut off the extra, like all the borders and things like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my hot glue gun and just, seal the edges with the hot cocoa pack on the inside. And then I'll use my paper crimper to just kind of like crimp the top and the bottom, basically kind of how we did the chip bags. I'll leave the link to that video up here in the corner in the description box as well. So yeah, like these are super cute stocking stuffers, really cute, inexpensive classroom gifts for the children. That's what I made these for. And that's it, you guys. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links for everything you need, as well as being able to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. And yeah, that's it. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.